Hey, what's up, you guys? This is RJ here, guys. I'm going to show you today how to make Facebook cover. You can see that I made myself. I'm learning every day something. So I know that there's a lot of people they know that like how to make it, right? So a lot of people like a beginner like me, I really don't know what to do. So I have to go fiverr.com and hire someone to make like a cover picture like that, the Facebook cover. So let me teach you. It's so easy to make it. Let me teach you how to do that, right? So without wasting our time, let's do it. So I will suggest you go to the google.com and look for Canva. Canva is free to use, guys. Take the advantage. I'm taking a lot of advantage how to make the thumbnails and for the YouTube and then Facebook. I'm having a lot of fun with that. So here you go. What you have to do, what you have to do, what you want to make it, okay? Just signed up regular, was just signed up with your email, and let me show you what you have to do. Just, I mean, literally you can see that, YouTube thumbnails, or if you click it anything, whatever you want to make it, you just look at it's the like a template. Look at this, what kind of templates you need that. So I think I need to do it a little bit bigger. Let me see that how I can zoom it, because I'm literally a little bit. Here you go. So I will zoom it a little bit so you will guys have some idea. Sometime you guys watch in the cell phone, so it doesn't look very good. So here you go. I hope you guys can see that. All right. So look at this. It's a little bit bigger screen. Okay. So I'll show you the template. Social media like an Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, cover. My God, you have a lot of things: personal, business, marketing, education, trending. You can do a lot of designs, simply drop and drag. So let me take you guys. So what I was trying to show, the Facebook cover, right? So here I will choose the Facebook cover. If you want to make the um, Instagram post, YouTube channel art, I will show you another page. Let me show you the Facebook cover, how you can make it. So here you go. Once you click it, it will take you the Facebook cover. So Facebook cover templates, and just like a T, you can choose anything from here. You can choose anything from here. Just I like it like a start from the scratch. So I just create a blank Facebook cover. So I just go through the blank. I will literally show you guys how to do that. All right. So let me take you. All right, so what you have to do, see, you need the pictures, right? So what you have to do, I have already pictures are here, you know so what you have to do, take it this picture, drag it here. Here you go, looks good, right? So you just drag it here a little bit bigger, whatever size you want. Whatever size you want, just do it, and a little bit drag this side. I'm just making the simple videos, okay, simple Facebook cover. So just simple, okay. And all right, looks good, right? All right, what do you have to do after that? What you want to write it? So I just wrote it like this one: let's hit the road with affiliate marketing. So I am making this one. You guys can write it anything. All right. So I mean the elements, you can find anything, the good element, like you can see that the like a or like a, let me show you, let me put something pictures like a something, like uh let's um let's hit. Okay, let's see if it's coming or not. So it's fine, you know. What we have to do, just the text, you know, just click it on the text, you know. And if you want to be, if you want to do that like that, see, this is like I just use this one. So game on, okay, just put it the game on here. Sorry, it's already there. Okay, put it a little bit small. You can drag and then game on. Okay, and what are you gonna do? Put it your name. I mean, I'm just making what I made it myself. I'm showing you guys. So uh, what are you gonna do? Put your name, RJPNDY. Here you go. And what are you gonna do? Just a little bit small, you know. So just drag this one big. Okay, you can do that. This one also, RJ Pandy, or one line also. So how this is my you can see that. So you just do it a little bit smaller. Okay, and I think I like it this way also, you know. RJ Pandy, this looks good though, right? So I will keep it like that. Okay, and if you guys want to change color, text, bold, anything, you know, you can literally post it here. You know, just click it here and look at this, what's happening, something happening. If you want to go back, just put it this link here and it will go back. It will go back. So RJ Pandy. Okay, after that, just drag the text also here. Okay, so if you want to add some headings, you know, like that, just put it here. And what are we gonna write? What are we gonna write? So all right, so meanwhile, if you guys like my videos, smash the like buttons and subscribe my channel, because you guys are going to miss out a lot of things, because I am in every day. I'm going to post one videos regarding how to make money online, or like a something education or anything, you know. I will post it definitely. Okay, so so uh what are we gonna do? Okay, so here, so let's hit the road with affiliate marketing. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's hit the road with affiliate marketing, right? Let's hit the road with affiliate marketing. Looks good. You want to change anything, you know, like I just click it here, and anything you want to do like that, it looks like that, you know. Anything, the text, you can change it like that. Okay, this one looks good too. Whatever you guys like it, you want to like that, let's do that, you know. So I will suggest you to keep it like a something like that, you know, so people they can read it, you know. And after that, let me see how this one looks like that. Okay, so where is that? Here, the cover. Oh no, here. So this one is like a width, till width. Okay, one light and affiliate marketing is down. So what I will do that, right here, and I will pull it a little bit further, you know, so it will have the gap. Okay, all right, looks good, looks good. All right, there you go. All right, looks good. Even if you want to make a bigger, you can literally make bigger, but I want to fit there. Less, you want to make a bigger, whatever you want to do, guys, just do it. Okay, all right, so I'm just making simple. All right, this one is good. So yeah, so it looks good, right? And if you want to change color like a green, like how I make it this one, you can literally do that, you know. You can literally do that. Anything you want to change it, you can change it. All right, so I think it looks good, you know. If you want to change the color, all right, just click it, this one, this all the here, and then after that, what are you gonna do? Click it on the A, on what color you like it. okay, any colors, you know. Let's see. I don't know why it's not changing, but it's supposed to be. If you want to keep the red, look at this red, you know. And if you want to do the green, okay, you can do the green. No, not the background. Sorry, not the background, not the background. All right. So what we will do is the background is like anything, you know, the white, if you want to do like that, and this one is red if you want whatever color, you know, you know what I mean, right? Like anything, if you want to change your background, like look at this one, the white, this one is literally, it looks good, you know. So my point is that you got it right. Just this one, okay. And what you have to do, just make it like that. Do whatever you like, guys, you know. That's improvise, like if you want to. And yeah, you can see that like I have the this sign, TikTok and everything. You can literally get it here, or just photos, okay, and put it there, TikTok, you know. So TikTok, once you put it the TikTok, here you go. You can like a TikTok logo, I think, elements, yeah. TikTok, here you go. First you go for, yeah, TikTok. Facebook, you know, so just click it here, post it the Facebook here, and here you go, you are good to go, you know. And same Instagram, all right, here the Instagram. Pinterest, okay, Pinterest, okay. And just drag it a little bit down, okay, small, according to how you like, you know. And here you go, you're good to, it looks good, you know. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. And if you want to put the YouTube, you can just literally look for YouTube. So YouTube is here, okay, all right, here you go. So you can drag a little bit smaller, you know, smaller. Pinterest smaller, and then do that a little bit, okay. Looks good, right? All right, so then drag this YouTube here and put it here. I hope it makes sense, guys. And I mean, literally you can make money with that, you know. Once you go to the fiverr.com, I'll show you if you want to make money with that. A lot of people, they really don't know. So you can make money with that, making this profile pictures and everything and thumbnails. People, they charge a lot, not a lot, $5 to $10, and you can literally make money, you know. So all right, so this looks good, okay. And just look for the arrow, you know, arrow. Choose whatever you like. If you want to anything, you know, just looks the good one and look for that. I personally use this one. So what you have to do, just flip it, right, and then put it small, and here you go, a little small. Whoa, looks good, right? So I hope you guys make it understand everything, right? If you guys really like my videos, please, I'm just taking my time creating some videos so you guys can take advantage. Please smash the like buttons, you know, subscribe my channel, and yeah, and that's it. Looks good. And it's and after that you just download it, you know. You can see that it's PNG, so download it, okay. And then go to your Facebook, you know, and literally go to the Facebook, download it, and wherever you want to put it, just go to the Facebook cover, you know, go to the Facebook, and go to the main page, and here you go, edit cover, you know, edit cover, and put it here. You are good to go. And same thing you can do that, you know. I was just near about to tell you guys how to remove your background. So how I did I removed my background in this picture, you know. So what I did, I went to the remove.bz.com, you know. Sorry. remove.busy.com, upload your any pictures and it will remove your background. So you can see that here, you know, you can literally see let me remove that so you will have the idea. Okay, so upload image, just upload your image, and so it's saying okay, so I don't know where I have the pictures. If, let me see that. Suppose that, where's my pictures? I mean, literally I can take her that girl pictures, you know, and I'll put it here, and then it will remove the background here and download it, and then you are good to go. You can custom it the pictures like that, you know, remove from. So everything I showed you, everything is free. You can free likes, free subscribe. It's not going to cost you anything, right? So this is what I told you guys. And if you want to make your pictures like a green pictures like that, you know, where's that? Sorry, this green picture, same thing, you can do that. Just put it the background green, and that's it, you know. And next video I'm going to show you guys how I made my how I made my YouTube's, you know, YouTube the channel art. Next videos I'm going to make you the my the YouTube one. Let me show you guys so you'll guys have idea what I'm talking about. All right, so once you go to my channel, you know, it will like it's really I mean, I was struggling. I watched a lot of videos how to do that, you know, and then finally I figured out. So next video I'm going to show you guys like how to create the channel art, you know. This don't make money online with RJ. I will show you guys. Okay, all right, and after next video I will show you how to make this intro also. So there's a lot of fun stuff is coming out. Okay, this intro literally I will show you guys how to make it. So everything is free. All right, so I hope you guys understand everything. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Do like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you the next one. All right, bye for now.